In today's video, I'm going to give an introduction to the analog clock. So here we have our long hand. This is also called the minute hand, and it's in its starting point, pointing straight up and down. If I move my minute hand to the very first tick mark, that represents 1 minute that has passed. If I move it again, that represents 2 minutes that have passed. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and the larger tick mark is marked at 5 minutes that have passed. Let's keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I can see that my big tick marks are counting by fives. So let's continue around the clock face, counting by fives. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 minutes have passed. Now, when 60 minutes have passed, we can say it has been 1 hour. And you'll notice that this hand changed positions to mark that 1 hour.